So it is, what time is it, Danielle? 7:20 maybe?
I don't have a watch.
We are at Animal Kingdom. I know it doesn't look Animal Kingdom-y in the background, and I would have filmed earlier, but we got up at 5:30, got over here. I left my phone in the car, so then I had to run back to the car. We're almost to the entrance, right? I had to run back, get my phone, run all the way back, and I don't run. And then it was really crowded, even though it's magic hours, it is packed. And we're waiting for Allison to get out of the bathroom right now. But the 7:20 magic hours, it's a 120-minute wait right now for Flight of Passage, but only 5 minutes for the boat ride.
Yeah.
The only other thing open is Tough to Be a Bug, Dinosaur, Primeval Whirl, and Everest. And those are all like,
5 minutes or 10 minutes. To be a bug.
those are all like 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Tough, yeah, no, and some of that, it's Tough to Be a Bug is only 10 minutes because you're just waiting for the next show to get out. So, I don't know. We'll see what we can do. And you're dancing to the music? Yes. And what is behind us? Is this Pizzafari something or other?
I don't know.
I don't know. Those are the
That would
bathrooms.
make sense.
So anyway, at least the bathrooms are empty. All right, so we'll see you somewhere in Animal Kingdom.
Over there is the wait time just to get into Pandora. It goes from right all there. So we are trying to go to Dinosaur. Allison wants to go see the otters first. So Allison, look, you can see him really well on the camera.
He's so cool.
That is awesome.
What is he? I don't even know what he is.
He's giant.
We should have filmed our opening in front of that Tree of Life.
Pretty. You want to do it again?
Nah, it's all right.
Can you go dance here?
No, we already got one in front of the Tree of Life. I'll just film Allison walking up the Trail of Life. And then Danielle following behind.
Oh, you can't do anything up here.
Why not? Why can't you go that to the left?
It's closed.
I can get over that rope. We can just jump that rope. Okay. Oh well, denied. We've decided, since we couldn't even get into Pandora, that our first stop will be Dinoland USA. And there's only like 5-minute waits on these. So, Dinoland. Like you see Triceratops spinning.
Yeah.
So, this should be fun, right?
Yeah, I can't wait.
All right, let's go dinosaur it.
Look at this awesome dinosaur. He's a pretty chill.
Golden Gate Bridge.
Oh.
Golden Gate Bridge. All right, so first up, Dinosaur, which is indoors, so it should warm us up a little bit. Sometimes, yes.
It can't be worse than Everest.
Well, all rides are kind of bumpy and jerky at some point, right?
First step, or first ride is going to be Dinosaur. Look at this awesome little T-Rex. His little T-Rex arms. How many fingers do T-Rexes have? They have 2? I never knew that.
Yeah.
T-Rex.
Look at that. There's like first ride of the day. Dinosaur.
Is that heat? Allison.
Okay, got it. Allison forgot to smile. All right, when we get in the car on this, look for your mother's hat. She left her hat on here. I know, but we might get lucky. All right.
It is embarrassing.
That's why I do it. The Dino Institute welcomes you. You ready for this, Danielle?
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun. Sure.
Let's go get that dino.
Not collected off the building. Unit 1, any sign of seeker? Over. Negative. Lost him. Over. Stay on it. Unit 4, motion detectors active in corridor 5. Over. Roger.
All right, now let me scan your band. All right. So let me scan your band. All right, so we just got done with Dinosaur, and what'd you think?
Oh my gosh, I was scared of flying.
You know what was great about it was that we were in the front row. It was so much better. Normally I get motion sickness on that ride. Wasn't sick at all. You could see everything. So my advice, if you ride this ride, wait for the front row. You were in the front left seat, and that's where all the things were, and you were screaming, and the people behind us were screaming too. Yeah, a lot of it's in the dark, but that was the best ride we've been on as far as this ride, because we were in the front. So wait for the front row, wait for the front row. And yes, and don't get hit by a meteor. So now let's exit to the gift shop. Did you guys find anything good in the gift shop? Oh, he spelled everything wrong.
That's cute.
I feel his pain. I've gotten those many times on a spelling test.
This would be really pleasurable.
That is cute. We don't
I
wear
know.
it.
But then you could wear it now, and then we could put it.
All right, Danielle, take a shower. We have to exit through not one, but two gift shops here. Yes. But I like Santa's dinosaur. Santasaurus. That's what he is. And I love all the... Gosh, must have taken him forever to put all the stuff up here. All right, next ride, Primeval World. Hey, Danielle, didn't we just go... Danielle, didn't we just go back in time and then come back, and now we're going back in time? I just want to go back to the future. Yes. Hey, Danielle, on this one, I'm going to try the GoPro.
Really?
On my head, yes. It's going to be like this.
Are you sure it's gonna fit?
Yeah, it's stretchy straps.
Oh no, like I was like,
Yes.
because it wasn't that
Here,
supposed to be a chest
Allison,
out?
make a weird face and I'll put it on Facebook. That's my thumbnail.
Great.
Yes. So what would you give Dinosaur?
10 out of 10. That was really fun, except for the scary part. That was
I was surprised you were so strong. You grabbed my arm at some point.
Because like I didn't know it was coming, and then they started walking, and I'm like, how is it doing that? And it's just, and I got kind of freaked out.
And that's got the best line. It's like a
Yeah.
museum, but we didn't have to wait in line. We just walked right through. All right, so let's Primeval Whirl it. Are you girls ready to whirl around?
Drop it. This is a scary ride, but I'm so happy.
Don't take out any hitchhiking dinosaurs. Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados y mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas.
When did these become bumper cars?
Cuide a los pequeñitos y no recoja un dinosaurio. Gracias. Hey, whirlers, it's Chester here, reminding you for your safety to stay seated at all times.
Oh yeah.
With your hands
Don't
on
bump us.
and
Are they gonna
legs
bump
inside
us?
your time machine. Be sure to watch your children.
Here it comes. Here it comes.
Pick up any hitchhiking
Boom.
dinosaurs.
There you go.
Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados y mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la máquina del tiempo. Cuide a los pequeñitos y no recoja un dinosaurio.
Danielle, put your glasses back so you don't lose your glasses.
Oh, I never noticed that.
Whoa.
Oh, here.
Whoa. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Ow. I was afraid I was going to drop my phone, so I stopped filming. What do you think, Danielle?
That was awesome.
Did you enjoy it, Allison?
I hope y'all have GoPro.
What happened to my hat? Oh no. Sorry I couldn't GoPro it, but our GoPro ran out of battery. Oh. Hello. It was a lot of fun. It was a lot smoother than I remember. It wasn't as bumpy.
That was awesome.
And the drops are kind of fun because you see them coming, but they're not like
Yeah.
crazy, I'm gonna die drops. They're just kind of fun.
Awesome.
So, oh hey look. There's a big dinosaur. There's a big dinosaur. And the sun's coming out. It looks like it's not gonna rain today. So, let's do another ride. Dance. That's all right. Oh, it's okay. All right, good. Primeval World.
Person with the hat.
It's primeval.
Want to wear the one part
All right, we're gonna play some games. We got some tickets. They were $5 a ticket, but you could do, if you bought 6, they gave you 4 free ones. So we're gonna try to do some here. All right, you ready to play some games?
Yeah.
All right. You ready to play some games, Danielle? Thank you, Danielle. What'd you win? All right, good job. You beat me.
I think you said
Okay.
purple. That's what I wanted.
She won. What are we doing next?
I like that game over there, or I like the water game. That one, I like. Can we hold all this stuff then?
I don't know.
This will be a game for fun, so there won't be any prizes, but we're gonna have a good time, okay? You're just gonna aim straight ahead at the bullseye in front of you. No need to.
All right, we're doing Mammoth Marathon.
That was if it was a full game, and I feel like no, you can't do it.
Danielle, Mammoth Marathon.
You wanna play?
Uh-oh. Now we gotta really try. All right. Ooh, yeah, nice.
Ready? Do we think we're ready?
Yes.
Excellent.
Allison was the winner. What'd you win, Allison? A shark. Congratulations, Allison.
Thank you.
You're good at shooting water at a target.
Apparently.
You should put that on your college applications.
You like the blue shark, or would you rather have this?
No, I like this.
Okay.
All right, that was fun. Want to go spin on a triceratops?
The sun is out a little bit more, so hopefully it'll get a little warmer.
All right.
I feel bad for poor guy over there. Thank you.
Well,
There's no one on this. There's like
here,
2
yeah, there was a
people.
bunny living in that little hole right there. All right, sun is right in my face.
I'd rather have the sun.
Terry, I don't
Yes.
have my camera, so I can't look.
Okay, well, I'll vlog for you. We are.
I need my
Danielle is vlogging. Dinoland. All right, Danielle, we want to get your picture here by the snowman and the Dinoland.
It's pretty cool. Stuck in. It looks better that one. All right, ready? Tell me when you're ready. There you go. Okay, you ready?
And take one in here, next in there.
You want to get at it?
No, thank you.
Okay, are you ready? Thank you.
All right, ready to go to Asia and the insane roller coaster known as Everest?
Yeah.
I'm gonna let you do it twice. You can have my fast pass. So, thank you, Dinoland. Magic hours, you can get everything done in an hour. Pretty nice. Now on to Asia.
So we just did Primeval World. Then we went over to play some games, and we won a couple of prizes. I'll show you those in a minute. And then we just did Triceratops spin. So we've done pretty much everything in Dinoland there is to do. I won this little dinosaur and this shark. It's
Yeah, I thought that was cool. License plate planters. I wonder all the different cars those were on. No, did their owner ever think it'd end up at Disney World? Oh, it is? Oh, cool. We're gonna get our picture taken by the big dinosaur. You're welcome.
Can they get a Mickey pretzel on the way?
Cool, got it. That's all right. Harambe Market. You're entering a Swahili English-speaking zone. I don't speak either one of those very well, so I'll try my best.